Steph, ba't ka nagtatakip ng mata mo? Eh, wala naman kami ginagawang masama ah. At ano nga palang ginagawa mo dito? Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, busy ako? Di mo ba narinig yon?
Ako? Anong ginagawa ko dito? At yan ba yung pinagkakabalahan mo kaya busy ka? Hindi ba kayo aware sa balita tungkol sa sakit na kumakalat ngayon?
Hindi. Di naman kayo mahilig makinig sa mga balita.
My God, that bothersome! Dapat alam yung tungkol sa HIV.
HIV? At bakit kailangan namin malaman yan?
Of course, you should know about that. Because HIV is a global health issue today. Having sex is one way to transmit the disease. And that is exactly what you guys are about to do. Ew. Do you know, guys, that in 1980s, HIV was one of the scariest health threat because people who contracted it quickly developed AIDS and often died due to a lack treatment.
Drin, ano ang gagawin natin?
Alam nyo, you guys are so disgusting. Paano nyo nakakaya mabuhay ng ganito? Ang gulo-gulo, ang dumi, nakakadiri, like... Yak! Drin! Ano to?
Ano ba, Steph? Huwag mo ang kunin yan.
Stop it, Drin! Doon ka nga!
Ikaw ang tumigil. Ibigay mo sa akin yan. Kung gusto mo, bibigyan kita ng bago.
Ayoko nga, baka magkasakit pa ako.
Ako? May sakit?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Malinis ako. Di ba sinabi ko sa iyo?
No, kaya mo siya mag-overthink.
Pero, kaya nga may kondom.
Yaks, may laway. Hindi nyo ba alam na mayroong mga study na naniniwala that condoms sometimes fail to protect against HIV and other sexually transmitted infection? And also researchers analyzed 20 studies from different countries, making the review global scope. They found that most failure were linked into user errors rather than the condom themselves. And napag-alaman na ang most common mistake are sleeping, applying the condom too late, or removing it too soon, choosing the wrong size.
Baka Dax to.
Walang nagtatanong, nakakainis naman to. I don't think we even have same skill. Anyways, forgetting to squeeze air out of the tip and using expired, reused or incorrectly oriented condoms are the most common mistake.
Ginawa namin?
Huwag kang mag-alala. Safe tayo. Wala tayong sintomas.
At paano mo naman nasabing safe tayo?
Yeah, Drin, gaano kayo ka-sure na safe nga kayo? Do you have any proof? Hindi nyo ba alam? HIV continues to spread rapidly in the Philippines, especially among gay and bisexual men. According to Ali Budbud 2022, this is linked to a triple stigma. First, HIV stigma paints people with the virus as immoral, which has even caused some medical professionals to refuse treatment. Second, LGBTQ plus stigma exposes gay and bisexual men to discrimination with little to no protection under the law. Third is the drug stigma. Sex while using drugs which make men afraid to be honest about their behavior.
Drin, nag-overthink na ako.
Yan, kung ano-ano kasing pinagagawa nyo.
Steph, baka may alam kong solusyon para dito.
Ngayon may pake ka na. Okay, chill guys. So, RHO and Gallo 2024 explained that while there is still no cure for HIV, modern medicine now makes it possible for people with the virus to live long and healthy lives. It's called antiretroviral therapy or ART, meaning this control the virus and prevent progressions to AIDS.
AIDS? Ako? May AIDS?
Yes, AIDS. It's immunodeficiency syndrome. Ito ay chronic condition na dulot ng HIV.
Huwag ka na mag-alala, Lloyd. Stop panicking. Andito lang ako lagi sa tabi mo. Tara, let's get tested.
Almost paradise.